everybody, Matt here with Tera Pump. Today we're going to be going over one of our new products. It's the electric powered gas caddy pump. In this video we're going to be covering what comes in the box, the features with the pump, the style caddy can that we recommend you guys using. We're going to show you some of the tricks, the tips, the do's and the don'ts, so I hope you enjoy. Let's go over what comes in the box. So we have the auto stop nozzle, on-off switches on board with sensor built in. We have the pump with the power adapter right here. And then we also give you 3 different ways to power up the unit. We have the cigarette lighter plug-in, we have the battery gator clip style plug-in, and we have the 2-prong Edison AC adapter. All right, let's go over some of the options that come with the pump. The pump comes with a 9.8 foot long discharge hose connected to your auto stop nozzle with your on-off switch in the back and the sensor for the stopping in the tip. The joint nut that connects to the caddy can, and then your power connection adapter with a holder for your nozzle, like so. And then last but not least, this is the sucking pipe right here with the pump that goes all the way to the bottom of the caddy can. Now we're going to be going into installing and showing you how it works. You're going to unscrew the cap, and then you're going to pick up the suction pipe and you're going to put that into the caddy can. Make sure the power cord is out of the way, and then screw the joining nut onto the caddy can. Once that's on, you're going to take your discharge hose and then you're going to wrap it up onto the holder on the caddy can. Just slip the auto stop nozzle into its holder, and then there you go. There's the installation of the caddy pump. Now that you've seen how to install, let's show you how to uninstall the caddy pump. First thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the power supply, grab the auto stop nozzle and the discharge hose, and you're going to want to drain all the fluids out of the hose back into the tank. Once you're done with that, you can hang everything off to the side like that. You're going to want to go to the joining nut and unscrew the joining nut. Once you've got that done, make sure you have a rag handy, because when you pull out the suction pipe, you're going to want to wipe down all the gas that's coming off the pipe. That way you don't get any spills or anything all over the place. Once you have that, you're going to want to grab the discharge hose and the auto stop nozzle and then bring it off to the side. The last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the cap and put it right back onto the caddy can so you don't get vapors or spills. So there's the uninstallation of the caddy pump. So here are some of the tips and tricks we have with the caddy pump. First things first, always make sure the nozzle's in the off position before hooking up your power. Once you've chosen the style power supply you're going to be using, make sure it's got a firm connection for no spark. When you're filling up the tank, always make sure there's no kinks in the line and that the filler nozzle has a firm connection to the filler on the boat. You're going to want to wipe everything down before you put it back, because you want to make sure there's no drips getting anywhere. Wipe up around the boat for spills. And then after all said and done, just hang the hose back onto the holder and put the nozzle back into the clip. And those are some of the tips and tricks we have with the caddy pump. Hope you guys had a great time. See you guys soon.